Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best running shoes in 2020. To see the price and more information about these running shoes, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Brooks Men's Glycerin Running Shoe. It uses DNA Loft, which provides a cushion feeling underfoot without losing responsiveness and durability for comfort and protection. Also, it has a flexible 3D footprint mesh upper and an interior liner that stretches to adapt to your stride surrounding your foot in softness. The DNA Loft transition zone is engineered, so you experience soft, smooth transitions from heel to toe with every step. Besides, the plush feel of an internal stretch booty surrounds your foot and moves and extended ends with your stride. Further, the engineered mesh upper and 3D footprints technology only enhance the fit. Another advantage is that its ideal pressure zones evenly disperse the impact away from your body for an effortless ride. Next step at number 4. We have the Hoka One One Men's Clifton 6 Running Shoe. The Hoka One One Men's Clifton 6 Running Shoe back with an all-new design built to enhance your daily training. It has full-length Avia cushioning, but updated geometries and a slightly softer foam to create a revamped experience. The upper material is also thinner than previous versions, and offers a more adaptable foot wrap with significantly more room in the forefoot. It also remains highly breathable and features an embroidered design on the midfoot. For increased lockdown on the outsole, a durable rubber compound is used in the forefoot and heel. The placement has been slightly tweaked. Furthermore, it has a smoother ride with a more comfortable fit, and includes an embroidered design that improves lockdown without extra weight. The high abrasion lightweight rubber is strategically placed on the outsole for points of contact, and the remainder of the outsole is comprised of the same foam material used in the midsole. At number 3. We have the New Balance Men's Anti-Pursuit V1 Running Shoe. The New Balance Men's Anti-Pursuit V1 running shoe is packed with technology to help enhance your run based on data from real-life runners. It features a soft, full-length fresh foam midsole with laser engraving to enhance and a breathable hypo-knit upper with zonal strategic support. The mesh has a nice stretch to it and the shoe has a comfortable sock-like fit. It uses a laser-etched fresh foam midsole material that is created from a single piece of foam. The upper of the shoe utilizes booty construction for a sock-like fit and feel. At number 2. We have the Dr. Martens Men's Work Boot. The Saucony Men's Ride ISO running shoe comes with 3 layers of flexible cushioning foams, engineered to work together to cradle, cushion and support your foot and your stride. With a redesigned midsole and new ISO fit offer, the Saucony Ride ISO enhances performance and comfort, so you can focus on the miles ahead. Also, the EverRun gives runners cushioning, which is more flexible and more durable, with a lively feeling from the first step to last. It comes with a power foam midsole, which provides additional support on your run, and the woven heel offer structure and support for a stable ride. The ISO fed midfoot localizes pressure instead of spreading it uniformly, and the tongue tends to gather when laced tight. Moreover, the single-density EVA foam midsole has plenty of cushioning, regardless of the distance. And lastly, at number 1. We have the Nike Men's Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 running shoes. The Nike Men's Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 running shoes comes with Nike Zoom X foam, which delivers Nike's most significant energy return yet. It sits directly under your foot for a heightened response as you hit your stride. It has Fluair cables. They provide a system of incredibly strong cables that work together with the laces to wrap your midfoot and arch for a snug adjustable support. Also, the translucent upper material is designed to look like it's moving while standing still, and it's incredibly lightweight. Besides, the heel color tapers away from your Achilles for long-distance comfort. Further, it offers a beveled heel and rubber outsole strip to help you land in a good position and transition smoothly. Another advantage is that it allows raised rubber sections on the bottom of the shoe to provide traction. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.